Hey y'all, how are you today? It's been a long time. But I got my first Boxycharm in the mail today, so I was going to do an unboxing and just let y'all know how impressed I was with the new Boxycharm box that I got for October. The first item that I got is the It, and I've already used some of these items. I'm actually wearing some of them, so I'll tell you as I go through. This is the It Cosmetics Superhero Lash, and I've had it before, and I really like it. And then we had the Everlasting Liquid Lipstick by Kat Von D. Love the formula. It's a little patchy, and this is not a color that I would normally wear, but the formula is great. There's no transfer, and I kind of love it. I want to go get me a shade that I would actually wear on a regular basis in this formula. Then we got some Briogeo hair mask leave-in treatment. I haven't tried it yet, but I'm excited to. And all of this is only $21. Like, I'm not done yet. We got 3 packs of the Under Eye Gels by South Main. And I need to try it because these puffiness in bags and stuff have just been kind of out of hand lately. But reduces puffiness, dark circles, and moisturizes the eye area. I'll let y'all know. Then 10% off at It Cosmetics on any future purchase. And last but definitely not least, what I was most impressed with this month's Boxycharm is the face palette by Pure Cosmetics. It's Midnight Masquerade. This is the pretty box that it comes in. And it's cheek and eyes. Comes with 4 cheek colors and 6 eye colors. And I'm going to swatch them for you. But look how pretty. I'm actually wearing Twilight, the highlight right there, right now. And hey girl, hey. I'm just playing y'all. But yeah, let me go ahead and swatch it for you. I'm doing this outside because the light inside is terrible everywhere I go. So, first color that we have is Exposed, which is a very pretty silver. And then we have Sneak Peek, which is what I used on my brows today. Yeah. It's just a deep brown. Then we have Showtime, which is this really pretty metallic blue. Did not use that one today. And 12 a.m., which is a metallic brown, juniper color kind of. And then we have, sorry, I dropped my palette. Disguise, and it's purple. Love my purples, y'all know this. Pretty. And Mask Off, which is, I thought it was gold inside, but it's kind of looking like a pukey green, huh? But it's still pretty. And then on the cheeks, we have the Twilight, which I told you I'm wearing as my highlighter right now. Just brighten that up a little bit. And then we have Hidden Secret, which is the blush that I'm using as well. I don't like a lot of blush, as y'all can tell. I kind of look a little washed out, but hey. It's a very pretty pink. Everything's very pretty to me, if you haven't noticed. And then we have Reveal, which is a purpley color. I would never put on my cheeks, but hey, some people. And then Enchantment is a darker highlighter, I feel like, for someone with darker complexion, because y'all know I'm pasty pale. That is Enchanted. So, those are all the colors in the palette. And you get all of these items for $21, and then it's monthly. I mean, not these items, of course, it's different every month, but Boxycharm. And I've used Glossy Box. I used Glossy Box for a long time. And I still get my Ipsy bags every month. And Ipsy's great. Like, the products that you get for $10 a month, you get 5, you know, like travel size or trial size or whatever. It's really good. But I was pretty impressed with the Boxycharm, so that's why I wanted to go ahead and jump on and do my review and unboxing and let you guys know what I thought so far of the products. And that pure palette, like, the colors are very pigmented. They go on very smooth. What colors did I use on my eyes? I think I mostly used my new Jaclyn Hill palette, but I did use a couple out of here. Oh no, I didn't. I only did it on my eyebrows. But my eyebrows are good. There you go. Anyways, y'all have a great day. I hope y'all enjoyed the Boxycharm unboxing for October. And don't forget to subscribe below if you liked my video. Have a good day.